And that's shallow now, so right away start reeling. And just slow. If you can kind of have it just above bottom or just tap once in a while, that's great. Fish. Instant, first cast. Okay, just fight him. Walleye? Yeah, nice. Coming over, just leave him there, just keep the tension on. That's it, buddy. Grab him by the belly. He doesn't have spines into there, and haul him in. First cast. That's a good eater. Tuck him beside you here. Paddle it, bro. Sick. All right, geared up. We're gonna tag team these walleye. Hayden got one. We're gonna take turns here. I just went and picked up some more twister tail grubs. Oh, fish on right there, just smashed it. Got the GoPro on already. Just crushed it. Not a giant. Really should have a net, but you don't. In the boat. Hayden's turn. Second cast. Just smash that. Okay, we got the pliers, you can bonk this one. Alright, your turn.